Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain how to use Zeely AI for audience targeting. So Zeely is designed to make audience targeting effortless by using AI-driven automation. Instead of manually defining complex targeting rules like Facebook Ads Manager, Zeely asks you a few simple questions about your business and goal when you are setting up your ads. So during the ad creation, you provide basic info such as your business type, product categories, location, and campaign objective like sales, traffic, or awareness. Based on the input, Use AI automatically analyze the data to find the best audience segment for you to across your platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. So the AI consider factor like demographics, interest, behaviors, and platform performance data to target people who are most likely to engage with your ads. So you don't have to manually select age range, location, or interest. They'll optimize this for you using the machine learning algorithm. So additionally, Zeus continuously monitors and refine the audience targeting as your campaign runs, adjusting who sees your ads based on performance. Also, your budget is spent efficiently. So Zeely AI for audience targeting, you simply provide basic info as setup, and Zeely AI automatically find and optimize the best audience for your campaign. So no manual targeting required.